Thanks for joining us for this video, guys. No, wait, I don't say I don't want
That's okay, yeah. Well, no wave. They don't deserve it. They already got them. We waved once, that's all you get. That's enough to tide you over until next week, because Stephanie's stingy with those.
Hi, guys.
Hi guys!
Thanks for joining us for this video.
And welcome back to our Dirty Dancing video series. In this video, we're going to be going over the instructional details for the next section of our Dirty Dancing choreography. If you want to check out exactly how any of these moves line up with the timing of the song, be sure to check out our musicality video on the same section. Otherwise, have a look at our earlier stuff to get all caught up. Let's get into it.
We welcome you to the show.
Now let's go over the follower steps. In this section, we're going to be shifting our weight back and forth. We can keep our knees soft and move back and forth as we move our dress.
Alright, now let's take a look at the leader steps. Okay, so once again, we will be starting off on our right foot for this sequence. So when you hear your musical cue, we're going to go right, left, and then we're going to step on our right a little bit in front of our left, and we're going to step quickly, tap, 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 point, and then immediately afterwards, tap, tap, together. And then from here, we're just going to be walking on the beat once again for another 10 counts. So right, left, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and then kick with the right, and then back and look back, and then we're going to go back forward, 1, 2, and then step forward on the left, and we're going to be kind of sideways towards where our follower is oriented, and then we're going to do the kind of hip action again, and then here we're going to shift our weight back to our left foot to go as we go back to our salsa timing, and we're going to step forward on the right, back onto the left, and then together, and then step forward on the left just a little bit forward, and then here we're going to take our right foot and kind of almost bounce it off of our shin. So we're going to step forward on the left, right foot comes across, comes off of our shin, goes back, and then we kind of do a bit of a body roll up once we've planted our right foot back down. Then from here, we're going to pivot back around and go right foot to the side, 2, 3. So we go to the side on our right, we shift our way back to our left and then back together. And then our left steps to the side, shift our way back to the right, and then from here we're going to do a turn, okay? So we turn out of it. So the way it's going to look is go 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, and then as we're bringing our left foot back in, we're going to turn, okay?
Now let's go over the connection styling for the followers. So in this section, we've got some options. We want to definitely look happy as we watch him do his moves, and we can sway back and forth and use our dress. So as we're shifting back and forth, we can move our shoulders and then bring our dress up and down as we go 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3.
Alright, now let's take a look at some of the styling we can do for the leaders part here. Okay, so to start off with, we're going to be using that kind of like same kind of confident walk that Patrick Swayze was doing in the film we talked about last time. Kicking before we land our feet, and also a little bit of just easy rolling motion through the shoulders as we're walking. And we're going through, and then as we tap, we're going to point our foot here a little bit, and that's just going to add a little bit of flair. And then when we come back together and we start walking again, once again with that same easy pace. And then when he kicks, you can kind of take this at your own pace depending on how you want to style it. But the way they do it in the movie is he kind of almost delays it and then kicks and then looks back really quick and then goes forward once again. So if you want to delay it and then go through quickly, that's up to you. Or you can just, nice and easy, stay on the beat. Just as long as you're staying with the tempo. And then here we have our the hip motion, and once again that's going to be up to you how you want to style that. You can add some arm styling in there if you want, just again as long as you're staying on the tempo. And then here we have the salsa timing, and then once again we can look back sharply when we do that, bouncing off of our shin and then planting the right foot move. And then we have our to the side and then left. Now, when we're doing the turn out of the left side step, we can delay it a little bit, or we can just keep it right on tempo once again. Another thing that they're doing in the movie with the styling is we go to the side, and then we're using our arms, the momentum, to kind of like prep and give us that momentum to come through, and then put them back down once you're done with the turn. And then from here, it's just a matter of, like I said, backing off and giving your follower some space for the next part of the choreography.
Thanks for joining us, guys. We hope you enjoyed this video.
And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss out on more content by Green Bay Ballroom. If you want to check out exactly how any of these moves line up with the timing of the song, be sure to check out our musicality video in the same section. Otherwise, have a look at our earlier stuff and get all caught up. We hope to see you there.
Bye.
Bye.